We're here in the 3D swing lab and we're about to look at one of our golfers and assess him with the 3D biomechanical golf swing analysis. We'll get this golfer rigged up and hook him up to the computer and show you the process, and we'll look at the data on the computer once we've finished. So here we are with our golfer hardwired to our recording system. The hard wires are imperative because it gives us a high degree of accuracy, 10 times more accurate than any wireless system that is around on the market. This is what the professionals on the tour would use because they want the highest level of accuracy. Therefore, that's what we at mgolf use, only the best. Typically we'll record a number of driver shots and iron shots until we have a good quantity of swings from the golfer. We can then remove the device and actually have a look and see where the golfer was working. In working with our golfer, we can set particular parameters of biofeedback. With this golfer, we're very much interested in how much he bumps his hips to the target in the early phases of downswing, so we can see the biofeedback come on when our golfer works in that area there. Having now recorded our data from the golfer, we bring up a full report, and I'll step you through just very quickly on the sorts of data that we would determine from the golfer. Having a look at golf posture, setup, bend forward, tilting, the rotations of the golfer in backswing, having a look at their stability, how much their head sways or lifts or their head thrusts forward, also having a look at stability of pelvis. This is always a popular graph to show for the golfer. They like to see their hand path. Our golfer here very much on plane. Good hand path coming from inside and moving from inside. Having a look at speeds through the impact zone and degrees through there. It's quite a comprehensive report, as you can see. This golfer a little bit slow in the hips, but quite fast in the hands, probably about 200 degrees per second slow, slower than tour quality. Looking through, we have a number of graphs that we analyse. Clearly there is an absolute fortune of data to look at. Our job as biomechanists is to interpret this data and take it back to the golf coach and the player and give them something to work with. We bring you through to an absolute corker of the table with more data than you can take a stick at. But as we said, our job at mgolf is to analyse you like we would analyse a tour pro and give you the information that will make you a better golfer.